Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent everyone from adding members in a Telegram web group on PC. Let's walk through the steps to effectively manage group permissions. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org to access the web version of Telegram on your PC. Once you're on the website, locate and open the specific group you want to manage within the web version of Telegram. In the group interface, click on the group name to access the group settings. Within the group settings, click on Edit and then select Permissions to access the group's permission settings. In the permission settings, find the option labeled Add Users and ensure that it is disabled by toggling it off. This step will prevent everyone in the group from adding new members. By following these simple steps, you can easily configure the group permissions in your Telegram web group on PC, restricting the ability to add users to designated members only. Disabling the Add Users permission helps maintain group integrity and control over membership, ensuring that only authorized individuals can add new members. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Telegram group management experience and create a secure and organized group environment. Implement these steps to effectively prevent everyone from adding members in your Telegram web group on PC, fostering a controlled and efficient group dynamic. Happy managing your Telegram groups on PC.